another day in Vienna, Austria. So currently I'm in the hotel lobby, just had my breakfast, and today we'll be heading to the town of Melk. So Melk is a small town that houses the Melk Abbey, which is a monastery. So let's see how we can get to Melk. But it's really beautiful because it's also a UNESCO heritage site, and hopefully can capture some good views for you guys, because apparently it's raining today, most of the day today in Vienna, and let's hope that by the time we get there will be some sunlight, because this place faces the Danube River. So hopefully we can have a good view of the Danube River, and we'll share with you guys more about the city of Melk, the town of Melk, right? Okay, so let's head on. To get to the Melk, we had to first get to Westbahnhof station, which is also a station that serves the regional distance trains around Austria. We took the U1 to Stephanplatz from Vienna main station and changed to the U3 line to Westbahnhof station. From Westbahnhof station, we could purchase the tickets to Melk on the OBB app, which is the app used for public transportation around Austria. Tickets to the Melk costed us 88 euros for 4 persons both ways. Follow me as we head on to the upper floor where the regional trains platforms are located. You can find digital boards located all over the station to identify which platform your trains are situated at. We take the CJX5 train towards St. Gallen, and the journey from Vienna to Melk will take us 1 hour. Let us now enjoy the beautiful views of the Austrian countryside on this train. Like the information you got so far? Before we proceed further, please remember, subscribe to my channel as your support is really important to me. As we reach the station of Melk, we will need to take a 600-meter walk up to the Melk Abbey monastery. After a short walk from the station, you can see the monastery from below, and this is indeed a great place to be taking photos of the Melk Abbey. The walk to the Melk Abbey Monastery will first take us into the small beautiful quaint town of Melk. As it was a Sunday, most shops are closed in Austria, to observe the Christian Sabbath. This small beautiful town of Melk is first mentioned as an old name called Medilica in 831 AD and has a current population of just 5,257 people. On your way up to the entrance of the Melk Abbey, be sure to stop by to look at the beautiful countryside views below. Check this out. The Melk Abbey Monastery has a long history and was founded in 1089 AD when Leopold II, Margrave of Austria, gave one of his castles to the Benedictine monks from Melk Abbey. This then became a monastic school, the Sixth Gymnasium Melk, and the monastic library inside this monastery soon became renowned for its extensive manuscript collection. The Abbey Church, dedicated to St. Peter and St. Paul, was built in the Baroque style in the 18th century. It is decorated with frescoes by Paul Troger and sculptures by Matthias Steinel. This abbey also contains the tomb of Saint Coloman of Stockrow and the remains of several members of the House of Babenberg, Austria's first ruling dynasty. The entrance fees into the Melk Abbey cost €13 per adult and €6.50 per child. The Melk Abbey is also open on Sundays and closes at 4 p.m. After the visit to the Melk Abbey, we accidentally bumped into a nice little cafe that remained open during a Sunday. This gave us a chance to try the famous Austrian chocolate cake, the Sachertorte, without having to stand inside the crazy queues. Check out the cakes that we ordered. The Sachertorte cake was a little too sweet for me due to the apricot jam that they put inside it. Therefore, I did not really seem to enjoy the taste of it. The meal costed us around €15 including coffee, and I felt it was really cheaper than Vienna. With a beautiful and yet peaceful environment, I preferred being outside of the capital. This Austrian countryside town is indeed a must visit, as it was personally my top favorite of this trip. After tea, we decided to head back to Vienna, taking the train that will arrive in platform 1. Till then, see you in my next video. Goodbye!